there's all those thoughts that are in your head. Uh, Within just the very first day of being introduced to this system, our team was excited about the possibilities that this held. And since then, being able to integrate it into normal daily, work environment, just situations, it's not hard at all. Getting that data out of the tablet and into a format that's translatable, depending on your audience, whether it's the maintenance team, the engineering team, the production teams themselves. There's very customizable and um, you know, easy to tailor reporting functions that you can use for those teams. The very first time we used it here at Bell's, we had a really nice meeting with multiple different departments showing all of our different findings. And it really wasn't like we were trying to address anything specific at that time. We were just basically introducing the teams to the new software and what it could do. But out of that, quick 45-minute meeting that we had with engineering, maintenance, and some of the production teams, we were drawing actions out of it, and that was something completely unexpected. Just saying, hey, you know what? We noticed this. We didn't even know this was a priority, but let's make it a priority. Let's take care of this. Or we were seeing this problem and, nobody really had the time to really track it down. But here, just within, a few hours of using this, we were able to identify some problems. So yeah, it's integrating it and making it a part of your daily work. Um, it it's great. It's only benefits.
Great. There's been a couple of questions about sharing the recording. So yes, we will share recording of the webinar after we're done.